Diane Bolin here. I have for you today another chair workout. Today we're going to focus on our legs, particularly our knees and the muscles that go in to strengthen our knees, and our core, because as we know, all of our movements start at the core and go to the extremities. We're going to be doing 5 basic movements. We're going to start out with a march, then we're going to do knees to chest, then we're going to do leg extensions, then we're going to do a twist, and then we're going to do a windmill. We're going to do 2 rounds, total of a 10-minute exercise. Our format is going to be 45 seconds of exercise and 15 seconds of rest per movement, and then moving on to the next one. So grab your water bottle and your sturdy chair, and let's get going. We're going to start with our march. And just as you would if you were doing it without the chair, standing, get your arms going, opposite arm, opposite leg. And what we're doing here is we're warming up our bodies. Go as slow or as fast as you want to. Pick your legs up as high as you're able to today. You're going to find that as we move forward in this exercise, it's going to be easier to pick your legs up. "15 seconds of rest." Next movement is knee to chest. So getting ready in 3, 2, 1. And if you want, you can bring your arms in for a little arm action here. If you need to hold on to the side of the chair for a little more support, feel free to do that as well. And the goal here is to pick those knees up as high as you can. So we're working our quads, the muscles that go into the knees. We're also working our hip in this one. All good things. "15 seconds of rest." Our next movement is a leg extension. So we're going to extend our leg out. 3, 2, 1, and lift. We're going to go halfway with one leg. And again, you can support yourself with your hands on your chair if you want to. Switch legs. And you notice it's easier to do this if you tighten your core. Bring that belly button back to your spine. And rest. Our next movement is that twist. So readjust yourself on your seat. Put your feet out in front of you. You can cross your legs or you can just stay on your heels. And we're going to go side to side. Let your eyes follow your hands. Sit up straight. Nice straight spine. "15 seconds of rest for you." And our 5th movement is the windmill. So you're going to start with your arms out, and we're going to go opposite hand, opposite knee. Get a little bit of a twist in here also. Pulling that belly button back to your spine. Don't forget to breathe, very important. And rest. Now we're going to start round 2. Back up to the march. If you weren't using your arms the first round, use your arms this round. Get those arms involved. See if you can march a little higher. Maybe a little faster. We're going to go all out this round. And rest. Second movement was knees to chest. After our rest, in 3, 2, 1, and go. If you want to support yourself, lean back a little bit and see if you can get those knees higher. We're strengthening those muscles that go into the knee, make it easier to walk. Make your knees less painful, less swollen. And rest. Our third movement is the leg extension. Breathe during those rests. Again, you can support yourself. Try to get that leg lift a little higher if you can. Should feel a nice warm sensation in those muscles. Switch legs. You might find that you can lift one leg a little higher than the other. Absolutely normal. And rest. Fourth movement is the twist. So you want to challenge yourself a little more with the twist. You can cross your ankles. Get those hands ready, and you can even pick your feet up off the floor a little bit. Makes it a little harder. Engage those core muscles and don't forget to breathe. And rest. Our fifth and final movement in round 2 is our windmill. So we're going to get ready. Arms out in 3, 2, 1, go. Be a little more exaggerated this time. Pick your knees up a little higher if you can. Go a little faster if you can. Keep that core tight. Inhale and exhale. And done. I hope you enjoyed our chair workout today. Sometimes if you're feeling a little under the weather, or maybe if you're even in your office and you want to get some exercise in, but you don't have the space or the time to do a standing workout, chair workouts are a great way to keep on moving and get that exercise in. If you enjoyed today's workout, make sure you subscribe to my channel and drop comments. I use those comments to decide what kind of content I'm going to do next, and I love to do the kind of things that you guys are looking for. So subscribe to the channel, drop the comments below, and most importantly, see you next time.